हेलो हाय आदाब और सत श्री अकाल। एक बार फिर से आ गया हूँ मैं आप लोगों के बीच, आपका हमराज आरजे अभिनव 90.4 मेगाहर्ट्ज कम्युनिटी रेडियो ज्ञानवाणी यानी कि ज्ञान की वाणी पर दोबारा से लेकर आया हूँ आज नो योर डिपार्टमेंट। और मेरे साथ एक और हस्ती हैं आज, और वो हैं स्कूल ऑफ फार्मेसी से डॉक्टर हरीश कुंदैकर सर, जो कि एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर और हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट है फार्मास्यूटिकल केमिस्ट्री एट स्कूल ऑफ फार्मेसी। डॉक्टर हरीश कुंदैकर इज अ PhD इन फार्मास्यूटिकल केमिस्ट्री. He did this B Pharm from University of Mumbai and M Pharm and PhD from Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai. He is a researcher with an H Index 11 with more than 400 citations to his 15 international publications in peer-reviewed journals. He possesses expertise in computer-aided drug design, synthesis and evolution, and is an approved postgraduate and PhD guide and a reviewer to many journals of international repute. तो आज उनसे हम चंद सवालात करेंगे उनके डिपार्टमेंट के बारे में। अब अगली आवाज़ होगी उनकी, उनका मैं वार्म वेलकम करता हूँ। कैसे हैं सर आप? गुड आफ्टरनून।
गुड आफ्टरनून, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द इंट्रोडक्शन।
सर, जो कि मेरा पहला सवाल है रूटीन की तरह, वो यही कि व्हाट आर द प्रोजेक्ट्स स्कूल ऑफ फार्मेसी वर्किंग ऑन?
Working on far too many projects, many activities that we have been doing, and few of those projects, they have ended up in being innovative projects.
Yes, sir.
And we are working on some of the innovation projects like formulation development, and we are also participating in many of the activities that are going on in national scenario as well as the state level. And also for few research oriented projects, we are working with our undergraduate students under the subject of UG project. Okay, so the most noteworthy amongst all of those, I guess, is the IIC achievement that we have done. So we established our IIC in the year 2021-22, and in the very first year of its establishment, we could score the highest possible ranking for IIC activities, and that was 3.5 stars. Yeah, and then second year again we have done a lot of activities under IIC, and we are waiting for the results this year, so possibly we'll reach to good heights again. In addition to that, we have many other sports, cultural activities which are going on, and students participate vibrantly in those activities. The faculty members, the non-teaching staff, all of them participate, and those activities are then fun to have.
Definitely. So learn and fun.
Yes.
And later earn.
Definitely.
How do you stay updated and informed about new developments in your school and department of pharmacy?
Yeah. So we basically have our own the regular email system, right? So we have our own emails, the professional emails, and in addition to that, we also have internal WhatsApp groups that are there. For instance, we have a faculty group wherein all the faculty related achievements and all the activities are posted. Then we have a staff group wherein even the non-teaching staff is included, and then we have all those different groups that are there for the different classes. So the diploma in pharmacy as well as the bachelor in pharmacy, all of the students, we can directly get in touch with them at any point in time.
Can you share any upcoming events or conferences of pharmacy?
Yeah, so I'll just move a bit from the past to the present and future for this particular question. So previously in 2022, the year 2022, the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, we conducted an international conference in the online mode, Advances in Pharmaceutical Medicinal Chemistry, APMC 2022, and it gave us a wide recognition. Internationally we were acclaimed for this particular conference. Then recently, in the month of September, the Department of Pharmaceutics, they conducted a conference, a national level conference, which was called as Exploring New Horizons in Pharmaceutical Technology, and that has been praised all throughout the country. And for the upcoming year, yes, we are going to have our Department of Pharmacology conducting a conference on toxicology.
Can you share any upcoming events? And actually, you have told about me, especially you have mentioned. Okay, how has the role of pharmacists evolved in recent years, particularly with the increasing emphasis on personalized medicine and patient-centered care?
Yeah, definitely. So, just to answer simply, yes, the role of pharmacists has evolved. So, for instance, previously patients used to go to a pharmacy shop, and get their medicines. Now it is vice versa. the patients order their medicines, the pharmacist and their delivery person, they go and deliver it straight to their houses. So that means that is a way of getting a personalized touch with the patient. So, and yes, of course, nowadays we know we have so many new infections that are evolving, and a large number of drugs are being approved. So for instance, in the first 9 months of 2023, 43 drugs have been approved. Okay, so that means the pharmacist has to keep updated knowledge of all those drugs, all those upcoming and whatever diseases are prevalent already, right? So definitely the role of pharmacist has evolved. So there are two main concerns. One is the job prospects, and the other aspect is creating job prospects, right? So school of pharmacy is working on both of these aspects. So if we have to talk about getting jobs, those students who want to get jobs after their degree, B Pharm degree or even D Pharm degree, so for them, our main challenge as faculty is making them industry ready. So for making them industry ready, we are conducting many activities, many events in the School of Pharmacy. So we have so many student enrichment programs that are there, and then we encourage the students to participate in postal presentations, oral presentations, and then obviously the fourth year students, we are encouraging them to participate in national level events. Even there's an upcoming event which is called as CIIA3, wherein our students are going to present their innovative projects. And then we also have the UG research project. So we encourage the students to take up research so that they are also research ready. And then we also ask them, maybe if feasible, getting publications at undergraduate level is a big ask, but we always kind of motivate them to do publications so that they also get that expertise as we go ahead. And the other aspect is obviously creating jobs. Okay, so there may be some students who may be interested in their own entrepreneurial activities, startup related activities. So we do so many different activities under the ambit of IIC, that is Institutions Innovation Council of DYP SOP, and we have conducted almost like 175 activities in the past 2 years for inculcating innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem in our, not only in our college but in the minds of the students. And it's kind of paying off. So students are now more aware of what are the avenues for entrepreneurship, for how can they go about doing their own startup. So such kind of outputs we are getting. Obviously we were founded in 2019, so there's still a long way to go, but the kind of talents that come into the School of Pharmacy, the students, and obviously some of the faculty members also, to be frank, even one or two non-teaching staff, they are interested in having their own startups. So definitely in the times to come we are going to have a startup ready School of Pharmacy, and they will be job creators rather than job seekers. So these are the two main challenges that we are trying to address as faculty members of DYP. Thank you so much.